Today's tutorial is to show users how to turn on the accessibility features of Microsoft Windows. The version on this PC is Microsoft Windows 8. Other versions of Microsoft may have called it accessibility tools or accessibility wizards. Windows 8 rather calls it ease of access. So in order to access those tools, one of the easiest ways is to open up your charms bar. You can click on Settings, then you can go down to Change PC Settings, click on that, and then you see towards the bottom of the screen Ease of Access. So you're going to click on that, and this opens up all the different types of ease of access tools. You have a choice of a narrator, a magnifier to change the screen, to zoom in and out, high contrast. You can insert an on-screen keyboard. You can change all the various mouse functions, and then they give you some other options as well. Another way that you could access this is if you were to just do a search, and you could search anywhere while you're in Microsoft, while Windows is running, and just type in ease of access, and this opens up all your different options, and this just shows another way of how you can access those tools. So this tutorial is really going to focus on today is how to turn on the narrator. This could be for someone that may have visual impairment and really needs the screen reader function. So what you would do is just go back to your settings, go back to the change the PC settings, and click on ease of access again. And this you can see as the narrator is the first option. So basically this is to make you hear text that is located on the screen. To turn the narrator on or off, you would just slide the button to the right to turn the narrator on, and I'm going to let you listen and see how that sounds.
Starting narrator. PC settings. Exiting narrator.
So I just turned the narrator off just for demonstration purposes, but we're going to go ahead and turn the narrator back on, and then we're going to try and play with some of the adjustments.
PC settings window. On. Narrator. Toggle switch.
So some of the options that you have is you can change the voice. You can change it to a male or female.
Selected. Microsoft David. 1 of 3.
Then here's
So
Hazel,
choose a voice, Microsoft Hazel, combo box.
which is your female
Collapsed.
voice.
Selected,
Choose a voice, Microsoft Zira, combo box.
So you can
Selected,
just select
Microsoft Zira, 3 of 3.
whatever
Select
voice
choose a voice. Microsoft David. Combo box.
that you would
Collapsed.
like. You can change the speed, how fast the narrator will read.
Tool. Speed. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 14, 11.
So to speed up, you would just slide to the right. To slow down the
Tool
rate of
tip.
speech,
11.
you would slow it down by scrolling to the left.
Tooltip. 9. 7. On. Narrator. Toggle switch.
You can adjust the pitch.
Pitch. 11. 17.
Again, by scrolling to the left or the right. You then can further adjust some of the sounds you
Exiting
hear.
narrator.
And we'll have to turn the narrator back on.
PC settings window. On. Narrator. 9, 10, 11. On. Narrator. Toggle switch.
So you can see that you can have it read hints for controls and buttons, and you can adjust that on or off with the toggle switch. You can hear while you're typing the characters that you type, the words you type, a lot of different options that are available for the narrator. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the narrator off and just briefly touch over the other options.
Exiting narrator.
There's a magnifier. You can magnify and adjust the screen. You can change contrast of your PC. You can insert an on-screen keyboard. Lots of different options for mouse cursors. Those mouse cursors are sometimes very difficult to read on screen, and then it gives you some other options as well. So this tutorial hopefully has now at least shown you how to at least turn on the narrator in Microsoft Windows 8, and I thank you for your time today.